In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Dishonored. Check my video description for the save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open this random number and open storage. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK. Now go back to app data and open this roaming. Open GSC saves and open this 217980 remote and drag and drop 100% save file in this location. If you can't find your save file location, then check my video description for this save file path. Navigate to this path, you can able to find our save and then launch the game. Go to load and choose the game progress you like to play. Select yes and load the progress. The save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.